Hey guys, welcome to my channel Pinto Vene Cuisine. Hope you all are doing good. And in today's video, I'm going to show how to make fry mackerel with green masala. For those who like to try something different, this is the perfect fish recipe. So let's get started. In order to make fry mackerel with green masala, I've taken 4 mackerel. Now I'm going to show how to clean the mackerel and remove the bone. First, you have to clean the mackerel. By taking a small knife or a scissor, you can do this. Now with the help of a scissor, clean it this way. Guys, this is a very simple recipe. You're all going to love this with green masala. Cut it this way. And remove the gills and the stomach. You can pull it. It easily comes out. Now once you clean, you have to wash. And with the help of a sharp knife, you have to open the mackerel by cutting from both the sides. This is one side and the other side. Now in order to remove the bone, you need a sharp knife. Now with the help of a scissor, just cut the ends and remove the bone. Clean the mackerel properly. Apply salt and keep it on the side. Now in order to make the masala, I have taken 1 pot of garlic peeled, ginger 1.5 inch, green chilli 4 each. Now if you want more spicy, you can add more chillies to this. This will give a mild spice. Tamarind half the size of a lemon, cinnamon stick 1 inch, cloves 4 each, black peppercorn half teaspoon, cumin half a teaspoon, cilantro, coriander fresh quarter bunch, toddy vinegar 3 tablespoons, and 2 tablespoons of water in order to make a paste. Add sugar 1 teaspoon. Apply turmeric powder to the mackerels and the paste which you have made. Marinate nicely and keep it aside. Apply masala on both the sides.
Hello everyone, this is one of my favorite recipe and I'm sure you all gonna love this too. If you like our recipe, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.
Now take semolina, dust it on both the sides. Coat it nicely with semolina. Meanwhile, you need to keep the pan hot in order to fry them. Once the pan is hot, add oil and fry till they are golden brown in color, and flip it over and fry on the other side. Check how nice they look. Add the remaining two and the same process repeat again. Guys, this is the way you can make green masala mackerels without a bone. Try this recipe at home and you all will love this. Thanks for watching my video and God bless you all. Thank you very much.